What do we have here? What is that? What do you have?
I don't know. What is that?
Oh my goodness.
Look, we got us a chicken.
Where'd that come from? Oh my goodness. He looks surprised too.
Teach him to get in my truck.
Well, you're ours now, buddy. You're ours now. Just kidding. He was a rescue. He's a rescue. He's supposed to be in here, but that's where he wants to ride, so that's where he's going to ride.
Well, I think he's got the shake for us. It's a jiggling. Mr. Rooster don't.
Mr. Rooster don't what?
Don't have the shakes.
Nope, he sure don't.
He bit me a while ago. He don't want to bite me now. He knows I'm the boss. Yes.